At Numerian Capital, we bring you the latest stock news each day. Please like and subscribe so we can bring these articles to you each day. Thank you. Today, March 20th, 2023, Bed Bath & Beyond plunges on reverse stock split plans. Bed Bath hopes that a reverse split will buy it time to get a better price for its assets. Bed Bath & Beyond wants to do a reverse stock split. The former meme stock is now worth less than $1 per share. The reverse split move will allow for an orderly sale. Bed Bath & Beyond, Nasdaq BBBY, stock is down another 15% in early trading today. This decline comes after the company announced plans for a reverse stock split. Shareholders of record as of March 27 will be able to vote on the reverse split. Management wants the split to be in the range of 1 for 5 to 1 for 10. Interim CEO Sue Gove says the plan will enable us to continue rebuilding liquidity to execute our turnaround plans and better position the company financially. Before the market opened today, March 20th, shares of Bed Bath stock traded for around 90 cents apiece. However, they were worth more than $5 as recently as early February. The market capitalization of the company now sits below $110 million on trailing 12-month sales of more than $6 billion. Requiem for Amy Me. Bed Bath & Beyond tried to reinvent itself before the COVID-19 pandemic. The company was founded to sell brand name home goods at a discount. Under CEO Mark Tritton, Bed Bath sought to become a curated retailer of high-quality store brands. The stock paid its last dividend 17 cents per share, in early 2020. But the turnaround plan failed. Sales collapsed as the company rolled out new stores. Tritton was let go last June, replaced by board member Sue Gove. As the new CEO, Gove tried to resurrect the old model against a backdrop of collapsed consumer confidence, closing stores and selling or shuttering subsidiaries. Meanwhile, in 2021, Bed Bath became a meme stock. Small investors piled into a short squeeze trade. At the height of the mania, Bed Bath stock traded for more than $35 per share. The fall of Bed Bath & Beyond stock was marked by several efforts to engineer another squeeze. Investors could have gotten out for $22 per share last March and around $13 last September. This past February's price spike seems to have been the last. What happens next? So, what can investors expect moving forward? A reverse split will buy management time to negotiate an orderly sale of the company, but investors should be under no misapprehension. Bed Bath is headed into the great beyond. Dear Bed Bath stock fans, mark your calendars for March 27th. Bed Bath could soon experience a reverse stock split. Bed Bath & Beyond will hold a special meeting of stockholders with a record date of March 27th. Shareholders will be able to vote on a reverse stock split in a range between 1 for 5 and 1 for 10. Bed Bath stock is down by more than 55% year to date. All eyes are on Bed Bath & Beyond after the struggling retailer announced that it would hold a special meeting of stockholders with a record date of March 27th. This means that shareholders who own shares of Bed Bath stock as of March 27th will be eligible to cast a vote for the meeting. The date of the meeting was not immediately disclosed. During the meeting, the votes for two proposals will be revealed. 1. A reverse stock split in a range between 1 for 5 and 1 for 10. Bed Bath & Beyond's board will have the final say in determining the reverse split ratio. 2. An adjournment of the meeting if the reverse split proposal receives insufficient approval votes. Bed Bath's board has urged shareholders to approve both proposals. Dear Bed Bath stock fans, mark your calendars for March 27th. In a regulatory filing, the company stated that a reverse split would result in a higher per share price and subsequently generate greater investor interest in the company. CEO Sue Gove added that the reverse split is part of Bed Bath's plan to increase liquidity as part of its turnaround plan. The reverse split will also help Bed Bath stay compliant with the Nasdaq's policy of a minimum price of $1. Today, Bed Bath is trading just below $1. If the stock continues to trade under $1 for 30 consecutive days, then the Nasdaq will notify Bed Bath of its non-compliance. Following receipt of the notification, Bed Bath will then be provided with a 180 calendar day grace period to reach $1 for at least 10 consecutive days. If Bed Bath fails to do this during the 180 calendar day period, it could be eligible for another 180 calendar day grace period. Shareholders generally perceive reverse splits as a negative signal. Companies that do reverse stock splits are often in some financial distress, with dim prospects for recovery, said Titan Global Capital Management. This may prompt investors to sell and move on. Last month, the retailer announced that it would raise $1 billion through preferred stock and warrants in an effort to stave off bankruptcy. Shareholders also reacted to this announcement negatively due to its dilutive nature. Thanks for watching. Numerian Capital News. Please come back tomorrow for another stock news update. Thank you.